Hey, good morning. You have this load for today out of Monticello, Indiana to Grand Rapids, Michigan. Let me see. Can you guys do 750? Hold on 1 second. So delivers tomorrow. What time? 9 a.m. Okay, hold on. I'm talking to the driver. He's just looking at his hours. Give me 1 second. And where is the delivery? Is that a strict appointment? Can he be there earlier?
Yeah, they open at 7:30.
Open at 7:30. Just give me 1 second. Okay, let's go ahead and do it. Let me see. Okay, he can be there around 10:30. It's 115. You can send it to OPS 616-648. And my name is Enis, Enis. And then also I'll include Chris in the email chain as well, so you can also talk to him about the load.
Yeah, we got Chris in our system. So
Okay, cool.
good to go there. Yeah, appreciate the call.
Cool. And what's your name, sir?
My name's Cody, extension 624.
Got it. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah, bye. So you couldn't hear him, but I'm gonna work on that right now.
Ready, this is Chris.
Hi, call about your load for tomorrow out of St. Joseph, Missouri to Decatur, Illinois.
All right, give me a second here. I need a 53-foot dry van on this. It's going to be 22,250 pounds of miscellaneous tractor parts. Load tomorrow between 7 and 2. Delivery will be next day at 7 a.m., and I got 600 on that.
600. Oh, yeah, that's not gonna work for me, but thanks for your help.
Thank you.
Okay, bye. Yeah, sure. So for us, that's 400 miles, so no thank you. Also, if you're an owner-operator, you have your own semi-truck, we would love to work with you. We have a great crew here, and you will be well taken care of. So check out the link in the description of this video, usoraexpress.com, or call me and we can talk.
Your call has been forwarded to an auto.
Everyone is calling this load. Could be Chris too. Chris, do you see this load? From Ohio to New York, Wadsworth.
Your call has been forwarded to an auto.
No, come on. We want this load.
Your call has been forwarded to an automated voice message. Your call has been forwarded to an automated.
Who is the broker? Colonial Freight. Well, the MC sounds legit, but yeah, let's keep calling them. So. Oh.
Your call has been forwarded to an automated
So
voice messaging
260 for
system.
900.
30.
Everyone is calling like, I'll take it, boss. I will
Your
take
call
it. Send
has
it
been
over.
forwarded to an
Send
automated.
it over, boss. Oh, it's ringing.
Colonial Joe.
Hey, good morning. You still have that Ohio to New York for today?
Yeah, just have to be set up. What's your MC number?
115.
Yeah, we're not set up, man. I appreciate you calling, though. Thank you, sir.
Yep. Oh, that's not nice. That's not nice at all. So they're only booking this load with someone who is set up. And they had everyone was calling them. And I called them like 10 times. And I guess no one is set up with them. Like, who are you going to give the load with? How are you going to get set up with them if you're not willing to get set up?
ATS.
Good morning. You have this Westlake, Ohio today to Elkhart, Indiana?
1 second here. What's the reference number on that one?
10004578.
That one is picking up today between 1 and 2. Delivery is going to be tomorrow morning, 6 to 8 a.m. And we're going to be hauling palletized coils. It's 41,830 pounds. Let's see here. Let me see what the special instructions here. Gotta be coils or skids, eye to sky. This must be blocked and braced. So the driver's going to need to block and brace these for safety. They do have the blocking and materials at the shipper for the driver to use. And for this one, she's got a rate of 575 on it.
Okay. Yeah, none of that will work for us, man, but thanks for your time.
Yep, thanks for calling.
Thanks. Pickup late, coils, driver has to help secure it, and 575. And it's all tolls. Like all the way from Ohio, from Cleveland, all the way to Elkhart, it's tolls. So you're gonna spend like $100 just in tolls for that load, which is ridiculous. But 600, man. Well, it's light, and he has to go back there. So.
Phyllis.
Hey, good morning. You have this Cleveland, Ohio today to Elkhart, Indiana.
Covered. I'm so sorry.
Oh man, come back, Cleveland. Covered. Okay. We'll see.
31.
Good morning. You have this North Canton, Ohio today to Dunkirk, Indiana.
8 to 3 shipper today. The drop off is either today by 3 p.m. or tomorrow from 9 to 3. It's 35,000 pounds of plastic straps. Those are palletized. It pays $650.
So he could deliver today by 3 p.m.
Correct.
Okay, give me one. And then what's the product?
This one is plastic straps.
Plastic straps. Give me
It
one.
didn't really give us a whole lot, but
Okay. Can I give you my MC while I'm waiting for driver to answer?
sure.
115.
Usora?
Yeah.
Yeah, your MC's fine, sir.
So if he picks up today around 12:30, so he would have to deliver tomorrow, most likely, right?
Yeah, at 12:30 he'd have to deliver tomorrow
Okay.
because of the mileage, you know.
Okay. Give me 1 second. I really have to call him. I can't do this over text. So give me 1 second, okay?
All right.
Thanks. Nestırıp
31.
Hey, call about your load for today out of North Canton, Ohio to Dunkirk, Indiana.
Let me see.
Ovo je neka
Picks
druga.
up today 8 to 3, delivers tomorrow 9 to 3. Would that work?
Yeah.
It's palletized plastic strappings, 36,000 pounds, and weight-wise we're looking at 650.
Okay. You think you could do 750 on this load?
7 is all I can get out of this one.
7. Okay. I already spoke with someone. They checked my MC. We're good. I have the driver on the other line. Let me just confirm with him. Can you hold for like 5 seconds?
Sure.
700, od 9 je istovar ujutro.
Can I get your name?
My name is Enis, E-N-I-S.
Nice to meet you, Victoria.
I'm sorry, can you repeat your name?
My name is Victoria.
Oh, okay, got it. Thank you.
1 sec. My system's lagging.
Okay.
Do you have an extension on this phone number?
Yeah, my extension is, you can do 6, but I also give you another guy. His name is Chris, and he can also help you. Let me see what his extension is. Yeah, his extension is 4, so 4 or 6.
Alrighty, email is ops.
Yeah,
Who's the driver?
this will be
Phone number? Truck and trailer?
truck 1004
Also 1,004?
Yeah. He's an owner operator, so they're both his. So
Alrighty, and what's the ETA?
the ETA is 12:30.
Okay. I did want to tell you you can deliver on the same day by 3 p.m., but I'm assuming it's going to be next day then.
Yeah, and he's fine with that.
Alrighty. And one more thing, we will need a picture of the driver's paperwork sent to us immediately following the truck being loaded. So basically, you get loaded, you send me a picture of the signed BOL and everything, okay?
So once he loads, send the picture to me, and I'll forward it to you.
Yes, please.
Cool.
And I'll quickly call you back before I send the recon just to make sure you're the one booking this with me, okay?
Yeah, no problem.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, all good. Okay, thank you. Okay, well, this is it for today. Thanks everyone, as always, for tuning in. And then I hope to see you soon. You have a great day, and hopefully the markets will improve soon. And then hopefully there will be work even for box trucks. Okay, thanks everyone.